on my truck today, so I just got the holes drilled here. We got this here, so we can get some of the wiring done, get some things mounted, as well as we're also gonna go to the store real quick with Shadow, go to Lowe's, get some screws and stuff, and check out some things real quick. No, I don't have to go to Lowe's. I could just go to this one hardware store real quick and just do that. But yeah, I think that's all I need to do. I think I should go to this one store, just get a couple screws to do the engine. I gotta just do some engine work. I think it's gonna go there and probably AutoZone real quick, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go do that, stay in town, and get back here and get to work. So I got the Maverick shirt on, and I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna change my dirty clothes. So we're gonna hopefully do that. So if you guys want to buy the shirt also, it's race break repeat, or race build race break repeat. So if you guys want to buy that shirt, it is online. It's in the description down below. It's a few other shirts. Oh, don't want to get copyrighted. Hold on. Yeah, so that's all finished up there. So if you guys want to buy one of these shirts, there will be down in the description below, MaverickSyndicateCo.com. And yeah, help support the channel. And with every purchase, you guys are able to put your guys' name on Rango back there, but you can't see Rango. Rango's behind the tent. Oh, truck's not on. There we go. So yeah, so we got Shadow out right here. This is my baby girl. So we're gonna go to the store real quick, and I'll meet you guys back here. Now, all right, so I'm back home. I'm hoping the volume's okay, because yesterday when I was editing the video, the end of the video was very like crappy, and I'm hoping it's not like that. So I hope this video's not gonna be like this. I'm sorry if it is. If it is, then we'll fix it next time around. On that, we're gonna be getting focused on some of the little stuff here on the truck. Like I said, we're trying to get maybe this mounted up here. Where is it? Probably mount this up right here for the electrical wire to go through. Is for, for this trailer or any type of trailer that has this type of connector, it'll be able to hook up into here. Now I'm debating on doing it sideways, because if I do a kingpin, oh no, I should be able to. I'm debating, because yeah, I can just have the wire come back this way and come back into here. No, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, because some trailers have the wire all the way up here. It's like I can't, for this trailer, I can't have it all the way over here. Otherwise I would just mount it like right here and say, all right, we're good to go. But that's gonna be a daily kind of, that's gonna go on a time to time basis. But I'm deciding if I maybe just want to put it like this, because then this way it will at least allow me to, I gotta do it this way. We gotta do it this way just because it's just easier, and just I think overall it's gonna be better. So all right, I'm just kind of guessing where I'm gonna put this at. So it's kind of a guess. Oh, I've been doing a new thing. I've been using oil on my drill bits, and it's been lasting a lot longer. So I'm gonna keep doing it, because I like them to last long, actually. All right, I'm gonna see if this fits in there, because the bolts do go downwards. I thought it'd be better that way, but might not have been. I'll find out in a second. That's good, so I'll just leave that like that. And we're gonna get this tightened up, bracket tightened up, then we'll get this tightened up into there. All right, that looks good there. So then we're gonna have the wire come up through here and make its way down that way. So like I said, everything's gonna be junctioning off right here basically. All the wiring's gonna be in this area. So what I could do is, for now, I'm gonna do a plug for now unless we get an actual trailer. which I hope we get fifth wheel trailer because we'll just use, you know, the fifth wheel plug, which would be a lot easier. But, or I can actually probably, oh no, I'll be doing the same exact thing I'm doing right now. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Yeah, so what I could probably do is just make a junction right here and put a secondary plug around here somewhere, maybe. It's an idea. One thing we are going to do is we're going to put a generator right here too. So we got to build a plate here for the generator, and we'll be able to take a generator with us, run the truck off of it. Eventually put like maybe a bulkhead connector somewhere, or you know, something. I'm not sure exactly what that plan is yet, but it is just an idea. Oh boy, oh boy. I just want this wire, I just want this wire. Oh my god, these mosquitoes are killing me. Holy shit. Alright, so that's that. We got this guy here, which I haven't decided where I'm putting this yet. And definitely, I guess it's definitely gonna have to go right here. Right down here. And then, any holes in the frame? No. Because I'm going to jump all the wires. I'm probably going to have to twist these together. Yeah, so what I'll do is probably twist up like this, and then have it connect to a plug. Have a little thing on this to protect that. This is going to be hardwired into the harness, so actually it's just going to be green to yellow. The ground I'm going to have to solder onto that one. Probably have that jump to here. Actually, the ground actually doesn't even connect to this, I don't think. Let's see, I got the whole wiring diagram in my book here. Yeah, so we're actually yes, so we're gonna have this wire here. We're gonna have the white wire here connect to this white wire here to a plug. And that's why I got the heavy duty plug. That's right. So that's all going to connect to that one, crimp together, off it goes. So I don't know if I'm going to do wiring today, but I definitely just wanted to situate it. This is all this is all permanent now. I'm not taking it back out probably unless I have to. But it's definitely going to be glued in right here. The thing I'm looking for is right here. Damn it. Alright, so it's going to plug in right here. And then this is going to basically have plugs on this. So like I said, 2 of the wires are not going to be used. I'm not sure which 2 wires there is. This one's being used. Red's being used. White's being used. Brown wire I'm assuming is being used. And then the other 2 are gone. I'm assuming those are the 2 that's gone. So all these are going to be plugs. This, and the red, I think. Red is all going to be used. These are basically our brakes, our grounds, and our blinkers. And this is just going to be a running light, so this is really just going to go to a single connector. Can I just do one giant connector though? I could just do one giant connector in this. The problem is I don't have a big enough thing for it. That's the only thing. So probably do this temporarily, and I'm probably going to go one big connector because. Yeah, because the blue wire in this one's being hard connected to the front of the truck. There's a wire I'm going to have come right back here. We could just make one big connector here. Just go, you know, kicked it in, you know. And I have it just literally just sit in there like, because this is going to be moving. So maybe it's not like right here. Right here. Have like a little thing I'll glue here. Snap that in. Where this comes up, snaps into here. So this is going to be like this, and this is going to come up around like that. Plug in. That's going to be plugged in like that. This as well, same thing. Basic idea is that this is going to be a hard wire down here. There's going to be some plugs that come up and, you know, plug into that. All right, guys. So we got the electrical box here. We have 2 connectors here for large gauge, which is going to be for you know, those 4 wires I was talking about there for the brakes, blinkers, and stuff. They're not large gauge, but there is large gauge going into it, so hopefully they work. Hopefully it's not too big for the smaller stuff. Got some cutters and stuff. Oh shit, where's my, oh, is this it right here? This might be it. Hold on. Is this my... Yeah, okay, that's my two. Got wire strippers, you got the crimpers. Alright. That's perfect there. Got some looms. We're not probably using that today, but we got it. Wire cutters. You never go wrong with wire cutters. That's for something else. That is a, what do you call it? That is for a fuse box. Same one we use in Frank. So if you guys were around long enough, you would have seen that. That'd be for Frank. Let's see, what are these guys here? Some bulkhead connectors. So you know, if you want to put something like that inside the truck. I was debating on doing that, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm doing that anymore. Not right now, at least. All right, so we're only worry about one thing as of now. We're only gonna worry about one thing, and that's gonna be this guy here. So we're on. All right, well that's tangled up now, so that's staying that way. So we're gonna figure out all the length and stuff over here. I'm gonna let you guys look up at me. All right, so what we're gonna be doing, like I said, so you guys actually see, this is probably getting glued right here. Not glued, but it's like a little taper pad here. So that's gonna go like that. This is gonna get, you know, plugged in over here somehow. Maybe put a little closer. Perfect. So really right basically dead center here. Yeah, spider web. Dead center there, so then this can come like this, plug into here. We're good on that. So I'm gonna start zip tying this to here, just so we get all, so I just know what I have and exactly. All right, so we got all zip tied up here, as you see, going down the truck, down to there. So now I got at least stationary here, so now I got to probably trim all this wire up, probably from, I don't know how I'm gonna do this exactly. Probably, because I don't really want to cut too short, so I don't know if I want to mimic it. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out, but I'm probably gonna skip a lot of this stuff, probably just do it and then just show you guys after I finish up, because probably a little boring just watch me do it. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see what we do, see how we record it, and I'll go from there. All right, rip that all off without cutting the wire, thankfully. So there's all of our wire. So now we just got to just trace out where we want all this wire. So black is, white. Here, hold on, oh, put the knife over here. So we want blue wires going away for now. We want yellow, green, this, and red. So we want these four wires right here. These are the four we're focusing on. That's where these four are basically going right here. My wire diagram here, because gotta make sure we got this right here. So red wire is brake light. All right, guys, the next day we finished up some of the stuff on the truck. Well, I don't know why I brought out yesterday, what I showed yesterday or anything like that, so I'm gonna go through a quick thing. Oh, flies, damn it. I thought it was a bee. There was a nest in here originally in the one video, which I don't know if I'm gonna post that or not. It's not, I didn't even show anything, it's just there, blah, blah, whatever, I'm not gonna get into that. So, we got these wires wired into the harness. I got them all loomed up. Made it a little too short, but it's fine. Got the connectors here all finished up here, so these two are to be capped off. This is just basically like side lights for the trailer, which on that type of trailer, it's not like that. And then this is the auxiliary, this is auxiliary / ABS, which we don't have that on any trailer, so not anything. I don't think any of these trailers have anything like that, so we don't need that on the 7-pin on the regular truck's 7-pin. But on that, we got this done. The only thing I get wired in is 12-volt power, and this is going to be the all right. So on that, all we gotta do is get this 12-volt wire to the battery, and then this basically wired to the brake plug, and then this one is probably capped off, or this is reverse lights, so I probably will put this in reverse. Probably I will, not sure if I'm going to or not, but probably I'm going to. No, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure about that, but it's gonna be capped off or put in reverse light. So other than that, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a little bit of work on the semi, just little things to keep you guys updated, so hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoy the channel, please leave a like down below. subscribe to the channel. Tuesday's Flower Dreams. Doing it anyway. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.